なんだよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
毎年
Let's write kanji.
毎 This kanji means every. And this is how to write this kanji. 1 2 3 4 5 6 One more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6
How to read this kanji?
Kanji has two different ways of reading, onyomi and kunyomi. The onyomi is close to the Chinese reading, and the kunyomi is Japanese original reading. Onyomi is mai. Kunyomi is goto. Then let's see example vocabularies using this kanji. Onyomi example is 毎年 毎 means every. Toshi means year. This means every year. Kunyomi example is 3年ごと 3年 means 3 year. Goto means every. This means every 3 years. Goto is used in a phrase like this. 3年ごとに引っ越しする。I move house every 3 years.
Next kanji is
年 This kanji means year. Then let's write this kanji. 1 2 3 4 5 6 One more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6
How to read this kanji?
Onyomi is 年 Kunyomi is 年 Then let's take a look example vocabularies. Onyomi example is 来年 来 means come. 年 means year. So this means next year. Kunyomi example is 今年 ko means now. Toshi means year. So 今年 means this year. 新しい言葉毎日 every day 毎回 every time 年間 year of period 年齢 age 今日のレッスンはここまでです。またね。
You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.